and they lose a bunch of weight, but their skin is loose. They don't look like they've been working out. They just look wasted. Nate Mlambo here. In today's video, we are diving into how to maximize your muscle gains through resistance training and balance this with the right amount of cardio to optimize fat loss without sacrificing the gains. Make sure that you stick through the end to learn the 3 things that you can start doing today to make sure that you have an effective workout routine. So let's get into how to build a workout routine that covers all bases: strength, functionality, and endurance. So starting with resistance training. Resistance training is any form of exercise that involves exerting your muscles against resistance. So you can do this in the gym or at home, wherever you are. You can apply some form of resistance. So resistance is essential for building your muscles, enhancing your strength, and improving overall physical fitness. The focus isn't solely on the amount of weight you lift. It's actually about how you lift the weight to maximize effectiveness and minimize injury. Later, we'll explain the concept of progressive overload, which actually involves gradually increasing the resistance. So whether that's by adding more weight, increasing the number of reps, or enhancing the intensity of your workouts to challenge your muscles consistently. This is important. This is very important. So stick through the end. So there are various resistance training methods, which include lifting free weights. So that could be dumbbells or barbells, or utilizing machines that target specific muscle groups, or even performing your regular exercises, body weight exercises such as push-ups or pull-ups. Yes, those count as resistance training as well. So the goal is to build smart strength by training your muscles efficiently and effectively. Now, let's talk about cardio. So cardio is vital for fat loss, but the key is not to overdo it. I see a lot of people just hitting the treadmill and they lose a bunch of weight, but their skin is loose. They don't look like they've been working out. They just look wasted. So too much cardio can diminish your muscle gains, while doing too little might also leave you short on your fat loss goals. So make sure that you keep doing your cardio. You need to find your cardio sweet spot. So this could be a combination of high intensity interval training, so HIIT, and steady state cardio. So ensuring that you get the best of both worlds without compromising your muscle growth. So regardless of when you do your cardio, just make sure that you get your cardio in. Do any of those combinations. So make sure that you do your cardio either in the morning, fasted, before your workout, or after your workout. At the end of the day, it doesn't really matter when you do your cardio. As long as you get your cardio in, it's better than doing no cardio at all. So make sure that you're doing your cardio. So because a balanced workout routine actually integrates resistance training, cardio, and flexibility exercises. So don't skip out on your stretching and doing some flexibility exercises. So this is very crucial, right? So this approach actually helps you build strength, a functional body that's also injury resistant. So take it from me, like I've had an injury which bothers me a lot. So you don't want to be injured and train like you just don't want that, right? It's not worth it. Make sure that you're doing your stretching and other flexibility exercises. It's also crucial to vary your routine often to keep your body adapting and your motivation high, because changing up your exercises will not only prevent boredom, but also ensures that your muscle groups are all targeted and developed evenly, right? So that's the symmetry, that aesthetic look that you want to see on your body. Make sure that you're doing everything evenly and balanced, right? So let's dive into the progressive overload piece. So progressive overload is a critical element for increasing muscle strength. You can apply progressive overload by adding more weight, increasing your reps, or improving your form over time. So this systematic approach actually forces your muscles to adapt and grow. That is all what we want, right? We want bigger muscles. Bigger glutes, bigger biceps, a bigger chest, bigger legs, everything bigger. So here are 3 things that you can do starting today to make your workout routine more effective. Number 1, implement progressive overload. Start today by slightly increasing the weights in your current workout or adding a few more reps to each set. Number 2, balance your cardio. If you typically do 30 minutes of steady state cardio, mix in some short bursts of high intensity for a few minutes within that time to actually boost the fat burning without overtaxing your body. All right, so you can do a lot with that time that you already allocate to your workouts. Number 3, vary your routine. This week, swap out one of your regular workouts with something different like a yoga session or a new resistance training circuit to challenge your body in new ways and improve flexibility. So thanks for hanging out with me today. I hope this inspires you to take control of your fitness journey with a well-rounded workout routine. So if you're ready to start, I also have free training programs on my site, or you can buy the Lean Muscle Blueprint. So just click the link in the description to get your program today, whichever one that you want, the paid one or the free one. So go to the site, naderweightfitness.com. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share your progress in the comments. I would love to see your achievements. Let's keep pushing our limits and growing stronger together. Let's go. Catch you in the next video. Peace out.